vlogging, so I'm a YouTuber. Aisha's sister, Amina Chabi on YouTube. Look at me talking to my vlog here. But yeah.
Hey UK, I just started YouTube, so please subscribe and like. Thank you. My videos.
You sound exactly like that girl.